So right now we're inside the car. Got the steering wheel right here. It says Ford. Very cool, very nice. Everything seems to be good. In the back seat, and then here in the passenger, the driver's seat, which is more exciting. But right here, very cool. About to start it off. We got the key right here. So let's take it out, see what's going on. Like I said, everything seems very sturdy, and I'm not able to actually yank it off, right? So let's give it a shot. Let's see if I can yank it off. I'm not able to. All right, and we just put it on the steering wheel, and we can. Awesome, right? Very cool. Let's check it out. See if the mess is right there. We're gonna do the first start right now, but let me just remove this one so there won't be no trouble. Perfect, cool. All right, so let's do the first start. Right here, we got the key. Ford Fiesta 2016, 77,000 miles, and oh damn, no battery. Damn, so it runs and drives. We need a battery issue. Damn. All right, let's go get a battery. All right, so I got a toe jump right now. I got a jump. All right, cool. So I just got to jump right now. I got to figure out how to turn this thing off. How do you turn this off, man? All right, I think we turned it off. Cool. The blades were going on, but we turned it on. Seems to be good. Transmission malfunction, service now. Okay, so that's one issue. Damn, okay. That's a bad issue. We got the little mechanical sign right there. But the good thing is that these cars, I can fix it, right? So that's what we're gonna show you guys. We can fix it. Very cool. Got the little exclamation mark right there. Service now. We press OK. It doesn't work. All right. Maybe press this one OK. Okay. Damn. All right. Passenger door open. See this one? It's kind of jammed. See, it doesn't open. Oh. All righty, but at least we got it. 77,000 miles. Transmission messed up. All right. So we're gonna check out what we got in the motor. Very cool. Very cool. Very cool. Transmission messed up. That's why you got a tow truck. So we got it right here. What's our part we got to fix? Not really sure. Transmission is down below. I see that part right there. That's the part we're gonna have to get, right? Is it? Remove this one. Let me take a look. All right. See, everything's running. Timing belt right there. Very cool. We can do a full service while we're at it and get ready to drive, right? But that battery, we got to replace it. So right now it's running at least. And see how far it takes us. Hopefully sometimes the reviews that I've seen, they can actually drive it, but obviously it's gonna start slipping, right? So we're gonna test drive it today. Cool. Let's close it and let's see what we got over there. All right, so when we go back inside the car, everything seems to be good. We got a little light going on right here, which is super fancy, super cool. That's what's up, you know, very nice. It would be cool to actually see a light right here and all across the dashboard. But I mean, I think we probably can make that happen, right? I'm so excited. All right, 77,000 miles, very cool. We're gonna put it in here. Just gonna see what's going on. All right, D3, D. We're gonna go D. Alrighty, and let's take off. And we got it. Cool. So it drives. So we have a little transmission problem, but we're still rolling good, right? Cool. That's good. That's good. Oh, okay. Okay, what happened there? We got something going on. Alrighty. Let's see what's going on. Okay, something's going on right there. I'm not sure what's going on. But let's turn it around. So okay, so it's hitting the fender over there, right? So it's hitting the fender. See that? Alrighty. We're gonna have to fix it. We can see I can make this turn. Remember, don't full right turns. We're gonna check it out. Let's go outside and check it out. All right. Okay, so let's go outside and check it out. Every time I turn right, it seems to be hitting something. I don't want to really hit it. Show what's going on. Oh, okay, so that's going on right there. You see that, you guys? See how that hits? So this obviously moves back. The whole rack and pinion move back. So that's what we're gonna have to fix. All right, cool. So we have the little alignment. It's bad to actually drive it. The tire might pop right there. What is this? Yup. So the tire has to go forward. All right. Cool, cool, cool. See how much space is in that one? Kind of crazy, but all right, we're gonna have to fix that. So we're gonna put on D again, on drive. And let's move a little bit. So when pop it, if it pops, we'll probably put a tow truck and we'll just take it out of here, right? Alrighty, so we got it, and we good. Alrighty, cool. There we have it. Very cool, very cool. So now we have it right here. It drives good. Alrighty, cool. Let's take it to the street, put it on parking, let's just take reverse while we're at it. We're going back, we go back. All right, transmission seems to be okay. Since transmission problem, not bad, we're good. All right, let's check outside again. Check outside, see what's going on. Okay, okie dokie. So as you see right there, tire seems barely hitting it. I'm gonna have to take it to the shop right now, see what's going on. Or I'll probably fix it myself, but obviously we're far away. I don't think this tire should be driven like this. Obviously gonna hit. Every turn is gonna hit, so make sure we have to make it like small turns. At least for right now, right? All right, cool. So as far as it is, no disappointment, but windows are working. That's the good part. Back windows are working. Good part. Back windows are good. All right, let some air inside, right? Cool. And I mean, it shouldn't be that much of a problem. We're gonna fix it. All right, so that doesn't cost much. So we're gonna see how much it is actually at the mechanic, and we're gonna go on from there, right? But the good thing is that we got the car ready and we already bought it, so we gotta obviously fix it, right? And see what's gonna happen. All right, but the transmission's good, which is good. Which is the good part. And again, we got 77,000 miles, right? Which is even better. Once we fix it, 77,000 miles, very good, and we can sell it or we can keep driving it, right? But for sure, we gotta fix this windshield first because it's not blurry, you can't even see. All right, so let's head to the mechanic to see what it is, to see our first quote, right?